theoretically, premarital sex is not supposed to be in Igbo practice. It's proven. People, I'm not the only one that's seen it, and you'll see from this story that I'm adding to this thing now. It's proven that there are entities that are following people. There are entities that are following females and males as well. So when you go and draw close to that person, that entity comes against you. There are principalities, and that stuff where they try to teach people that principalities have been rounded up under Jesus Christ. It's just the same way. It's the same people that taught you that different nations have been rounded up under Nigeria. You get? So that shit is bullshit. Principalities have to be respected. If you come to my house and you don't respect my wife's authority, you know what I'm saying? You can get good stuff from me. You won't even get good stuff from me, sir, because you are disrespecting my woman, right? But even if my household is dysfunctional and you are getting good stuff from me, if you eat her food, she's gonna kill your ass. You know what I'm saying? You have to respect everybody. Division of labor, you have to respect every department. So this video, I'm adding a guy's experience here. He's seen a man, and his woman is also seeing that same man, and the same thing, the same time that he's seeing that man. So So I really think premarital sex does not have a place in, if you want utopia, because you'll be fine, right? You'll probably be fine, but who knows all the stored up on your way, right? Well, you know what I'm saying? You just want to live life, but even for the females, I think when you're aligned with your entities fully, right? When you're not pissing off the kenga in your life, if I am not gazilimo, in my opinion, or especially when Abia appears the kenga. So yeah, man, add the video here. Check it out.
There's this girl, this lady I'm seeing, and the last night we spent together, I actually had a dream of a man, a huge man, coming to my door, and he knocked on my door. When I opened, he was holding a rifle in that dream, putting on a white singlet, but the rifle was pointed to the ground though. It was not like he was pointing it at me. He just said, I should come out from the house. I should come out from the house, like you know, when it starts bust somebody, that kind of pressure they come with. It was like I should come out from the house, which I did. And I went outside. I checked that I could not find a van or anything around, or even other squads. So the next day in the morning, I kind of chipped it into her. I was like, I just thought I had a dream, and when she asked me about the dream, I just said, never mind. Then later on, like the next day, she told me about that she had a dream too. And she started telling me about the dream, and she said it was a man. She saw a man. I asked her, how was this man, like the man's look? The person she described was the same man I saw in my dream, like the same person. And she said in the dream he was angry that she was sitting next to someone else, but he was sitting across, and his face was furious and angry. And I don't know, it just scared me a bit, because I don't know why is he going to come to my own dream to also show it was just so mysterious. When, like, I don't know what to make of it.
Bro, my first reaction was one laughter like that, like bro, premarital sex actually they dangerous. I don't know if in day for our pre-colonialist this thing, I don't know if there was premarital sex then, guy. Because guy, see this stuff now, this spiritual husband thing where you just explain now, guy. Who never experienced some? You know what I'm saying? If you go fuck with one lady, guy, everybody be more, even you too, you be more. But these women, especially these women, guy, they connected with their more, they untroubled. They no get trouble, guy. They so connected. Now niggas way they buna guy. Now niggas way and piasu. Next thing now you just put one trouble. Obviously now you have a spirit that is fighting against you, guy. Bro, so I don't know. What are you doing with the lady? How long have you all been fucking with or rolling with? You know what I'm saying? So that thing now, that lady now, waiting that thing now, they try to tell you now, you see, you go guys appease that man. But here's the dilemma: are you going to go and appease a man that you are not going to marry the woman? You know what I'm saying? Are you going to go and appease somebody that tomorrow and that person will now come to marry her again and go and appease him again? And that person will now come again and go and appease him again. Are you going to do something like fighting with a spirit? You go just be that warrior where you go over to the other side to go fight in Chi. You know what I'm saying? You must be Azuelu and Yabi, what's the name of that famed warrior? So premarital sex, they're really dangerous.
Oh, bro, we've not been together for too long. Like, let me just say we met ourselves like, let me say 5 times or 4 times at most. 4 times at most. Usually in my place, she just come and spend the night over. But we do have some conversations. She's like a traditionalist. She's not a Christian. She said she's from the waters and stuff, something like that. That she's affiliated with the water. That she's like a water child. She just got to start doing the whole appeasement stuff. She also talked about going to the village for that. She called her in-law that is an easy wine, and they said the man is angry. Stuff, the same thing you just said. And exactly what you just said now, the appeasement stuff. But to me, I don't know marriage stuff. I don't actually have marriage in mind. She's a nice person. I have no bad intentions for her. I like her that way, but I'm not ready for marriage. But she made mention about appeasing the man, like paying off dowry or something like that. I don't know, paying off the dowry or giving back the money he paid for our head and stuff like that. That's what they're going to do to appease all those kind of talks. I don't understand.
You remember the thing that I started the last talk with? I said that premarital sex is dangerous. Guy, you go guys free am. Otherwise, you now go know if you go track your work since that shortly enter your life now, since when I start to the knock, you now go know say things don't go back. Because you understand, you are fighting with a spirit, you are holding a spirit thing without giving him his thing. So right now you get problem now. So either say you go marry and go do that payment of dowry. You know what I'm saying? Either you go and marry that lady and do payment of dowry, or you let her go and do, I will recommend a ritual, right? A ritual, small ritual. You know what I'm saying? No way, no small though. Me, I know how to do my own that I did it. No, like I didn't have any money, of course. Right? I just did it with like small thing like egg or 4 stick. We get this, you know what I'm saying? Just to tell them, say, yo, making no very, say you encroaching in property. You know what I'm saying? Then you go come on hand. In my opinion, right? In my opinion and my small experience. Otherwise, you don't enter, you will be a spirit, don't enter another spirit boundary. And the thing now to do is to go and if I know what that thing which they tell you, Mmiri. You understand what I'm saying? Bright prize. Take a goat to the water, do a ritual. But as I said, you're not going to do it for somebody you are not going to marry. You know what I'm saying? You should not do it for, because if you do it tomorrow and that person will come and do it again. I don't know if that is a problem, but that's what I'm saying. I don't think premarital sex was in Igbo pre-colonial. This thing actually makes me relate with my contact here, right? She owns one virgins thing like that. So that thing actually makes sense because, bro, see this sex for spirituality in this serious. Mmiri go come back, yo, bro. So I don't know. Dalu, thanks for sharing.